Navigation with a persistent app bar has come to be standard in applications. Today we're going to quickly implement some logic to tackle navigation in Flet with Python. I will be using my own router class in order to clean up our main function and show you how I would organize my routes. The Flet documentation gives examples of a persistent app bar and how routing is generally handled, but it doesn't quite handhold you to where you need to be. As you can see here, the page.views.clear function removes our app bar. There are many ways to do this, but I took a little inspiration from how React Router solves this. What's important to remember is that the page.route is our current route, and therefore a view. Changing current route will fire the onRoute change, which we will define ourselves. However, we use the helper function page.go because it guarantees that we change the route, fire the route changer, and updates the page view. Let's see what this looks like. As always, I start off by starting my virtual environment and downloading Flet. I create a directory where my router and views are going to live. Assets is where my images will go. Create my views. Here we have 3 pages: index, profile, and settings with filler flet.txt. I add my Flet router file. The final directory is my user controls, kind of like components in React. I'll define my app bar here. We import the necessary and give our function the main page and Flet parameters. We build from the standard appbar method. Leading places what we want in the top left. The title comes to the right of that. The color is a variant of our theme. The actions are where our buttons live, with lambda functions that change our current route. They tell the page which route to navigate to upon click. We return this app bar so that we can use it in the main file. Our custom router is a class that handles all the views on behalf of the main function. The main page will be passed into it upon object creation. Here we neatly place our views in a dictionary rather than using many if statements. The body consists of a container that wraps our desired view. We define the route change function that fires upon every route change. It updates the body to the desired view. To get our Flet app on the screen, we define our main function. First, we import our router and app bar. We define the theme for later use. We pass our custom app bar to the main page app bar property. We initialize our router and assign our custom route changer to the page.onRouteChange method. We add the router.body to the page and send the initial route to the root. Here we see that we do change routes after each button click. After this, we can add anything to each page as normal. This mockup is included in the GitHub repo linked below. We have our content and containers on each page and can even call functions adjusting the page since we pass the main page argument into the views via the router. If you have any questions on my code, go ahead and comment below. Subscribe and stand by for another video using CRUD operations with these various views.